All right, so I'm attempting to change the CVT. Sorry, I got sweat my. Trying to change the CVT in this transmission without have to take the transmission out the car. I'm looking for videos online, and I have not come across any. But I'm trying. I lower the transmission enough to where I could get to it. So I'm gonna take the CVT out, try to see if I could replace the chain on it. See, the chain broke. So let me see what I can do to fix it. Let's see if it works. All right, so I got the end case off. You can see all these little pieces right here. The chain that went around here actually broke. So I don't know if I'm able to get this piece out. We don't have to drop in transmission, but I'm gonna try anyways to see what I could do. But that's what I'm working with right now. I might have to move this little thing right here, and if I do, then I should be able to get this off, but I'm gonna try. But the chain broke, so hopefully I can repair it from here without going inside the transmission. All right, I got the CVT part out. So you see here, the chain broke. Why? I don't know. So it literally broke right here. It literally chopped right here. So now I have to figure out why. Maybe one of these probably locked up. Hold on. Maybe one of these locked up and probably broke the chain. Could be a possibility, I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing right now, because this was, I think, like that. Hold on. So this was sitting in here, and the chain goes around here. If I had it, do I have it right? Yeah. So the chain goes around here, and the chain broke. So now I have to figure out why. I might have to just get the hold of this right here, and I could literally put it back on. We don't have to take the transmission apart. I literally pull the pun just to get the valve body and stuff out so I could check it. So now I'm gonna order the parts, put it back together, fingers crossed everything works. But I've never did one of these before, so I'm just guessing right now. So let me order the part and see how it goes. All right, so everything is completely taken apart, and this is a casing for where the CVT goes. I ordered new parts, and now I gotta try to put it back together. So never did this before, and I'm doing it totally different from how I've seen them doing it. So this is everything right here. I think this is supposed to have a zip tie or something on here, but I don't have any zip ties. Let me see if I can find a zip tie. I gotta put a zip tie around this so it doesn't come apart, and then I have to put these in. So let me see if I can find one real quick. All right, as you can see, I just went ahead and put 2 zip ties on here. Hold this together. So I'll go ahead and install these real quick. I got everything already cleaned out. I don't know what these are called. I think called thrust rings or something. But this one goes right here, and this one goes right here. Okay. So again, I'm taking a chance doing it this way. So since this is my car, if it messed up or it didn't work, I can't blame nobody. All right, so I'm trying it my way. Typically I see everybody else take theirs out the car. They take it out the car and put it together. I left the transmission in the car still, and trying to do it. I'm trying to do it with the transmission in the car, so fingers crossed. I don't think I should screw this down yet. All right, so I believe still have an arrow in here. I believe the arrow goes this way. Well, there's an arrow right here, so I believe it goes this way. I think, I don't know. Let me double check first. Hold on. Okay, so the belt. So there's a primary pulley right here. Gotta make sure the belt is going that way around. So the arrow is pointing that way around, if that makes any sense. All right. No. I have to go ahead and put this one on. I believe it goes this way. Yeah? No. Maybe so. Yeah, go this way. Got this has to go onto. Okay. So gotta get it in there. Come on. Okay. So this goes something like this. It's a little tight. It is a little tight. But gonna get it in there. Damn, that's tight. Okay. I didn't see them fight that much with it, so take this back out. Might need to stretch it or something. All right. Nope. Hold on. Put that right there. I had this in first. Okay. And then I don't know what I'm doing. Let me do this shit my way. I'm gonna take this back out. Check that out. Put that right there. Hold on. That shit is tight. If I got the pulley separate, I would think they gave me the wrong shit. All right. Put this right here. Do the shit my way. And then put this over here. Let's see if that works. Okay. She's a little tight, but we're gonna get it in. guys. Okay. All right. This is not cooperating right now. I did it my way and I broke the zip tie, but I got it on. When the zip tie broke, it's okay. It is okay. I think I got it on, but it's not complete. There you go. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. We got action. We got action. And then I think. So this right here, I'm gonna have to lift this up a little bit. Shit, I missed the hole. Hold on. Well, I'm currently, okay, this is supposed to be over here, so I gotta get it to turn. For it to turn, I'm gonna have to lift this back up. Okay. Lift this back up a little bit. I do not know what I'm doing. Okay, where's the other hole? Okay, this hole is way over here. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. And this one is over there. Come on. Don't break on me. Okay. I think I got it. So this is gonna be lined up with that hole. And this sits in here. Okay. Let me see here. I do not know what I'm doing, but I'm trying anyways. I think the screws are the same size, so. Okay, got one screw in. Alright, I'll try to flip this a little bit. So I'll get the other one in. And we got the other one in. Alright. They said we have to torque this to specs. I don't have my torque wrench. So I'm gonna torque it to where I know it. Maybe later on when I get everything together, then I'll be able to go ahead and torque it down. But right now, I'm using what I got. I think it said 19 pound-feet of torque, but I'm just eyeballing it right now to get it in. So let's see. Okay. All right. They did that. Then I said they do this. They test it. So let me get this zip tie off of here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and test it like I'm a professional, like I know what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and cut this off. Okay, so zip tie is off, and I saw they did this where they rotated it, make sure everything is good. They said make sure the secondary pulley is completely in. It looks like it in. Look like it's straight. Everything look like it's the same, on the same level. Push it down some more. See? Okay. All right, one click right there shows that is completely in. Damn, I could do this for a living. I could do this for a living. All right. That's good right there. Rotate it, everything seems fine. Bearings, even though this is brand new, so I don't see why it wouldn't be fine. But this is old school right here. But I don't have a razor blade right now. Everything is at the shop, so I'm using what I have here, scraping this off. So I looked up videos. I've never seen none of them been done like this, so I figure I'll give it a try. Try to change the CVT while the transmission is still in the car. I see everyone take the transmission out, and I figure if I'm able to take the end case off without have to take the transmission out of the car, I should be able to put everything together and put it back in. So let me go ahead and try to install this in the car. And I don't know why I love the word finger crossed, but hopefully it works. All right, so I was trying to film while I was putting it in, but it's heavy. Laying on the ground is hard. So I got the case back on. As you can see, got the case back on. So I'm gonna start screwing these in. It's about to start raining, so I'm gonna see if I can get at least 2 screws in it, so it could hold it for now, so the gasket sealer don't dry up on me. So I'm gonna screw these in right now. It's a little messy back here, but it's all good. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna change the filter right here. There's a filter that goes right here, also the one that goes inside the pan, but this is the filter that was in it. As you can see, I think there's a few little metal shavings in it from when the chain broke. So taking that filter out and putting this one in. See the big difference? I'm also going to change the one that goes on the bottom also. Alright, so all I did was remove the engine mount from here, so I was able to drop the transmission to where I was able to get to it. So right now I'm going to put the motor mount back in and then use the jack to bring the transmission up so I can screw back down and go ahead and put fluid in it, so I could check and see if it actually works. All right, so I'll put everything back together. Start the car, let it warm up a little bit. I have a check engine light because I know it's misfiring. So it's in reverse, and we are booging. Okay, all right, so it's in reverse. Hold up, no, put it in drive. Shifter's a little stiff though. Oh shit, we fixed it. All right, now we're back in reverse and we're moving. We are moving. Neutral, drive, put it in low. It's moving. So right there, I got you in the coil packs. It's misfiring, but I just fixed the transmission without removing it from the car. There you go. There you go. I gotta do the coil packs, so I'll change the coil packs tomorrow because it's getting really late now. And I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes. But yep, we did it.